To replace the batteries in the Recon, we have to remove the silicone boot. And it's important that it be done right so that we don't put any stress on this portion of the silicone boot and cause it to tear or rip at these 2 points. It's real easy. It's just important that we do it right. So let's do it. What we're going to do before I even start to remove this is I'm going to use my thumb and index finger and apply pressure to each side and keep that pressure on during the process of removing the top portion. I'm going to bring my block down. I'm going to just pull on this and pull over. Bring that back up out of the way. And now once that's off, let go. And then gently just sort of slide down and pull it out, turn it over, and now we can start to remove the screws. Be sure you use the right size Phillips bit and to remove the door. So let's start removing it. Okay, we got the door off, and here are our 4 AAA batteries. Simply replace them. Put them in the right sequence. Put the door back. And the screws go back in. Now, as you tighten down the screws, don't cinch one all the way down. Take turns, sort of like putting your bolt on your wheel in your car. As you get them down, that way you don't put stress, overstress each corner of the housing. There we go. Now, putting the silicone boot back on. Flip it over, pull your cord down, slide it in carefully right there, and just pull up now. Pull up, pull the cord out, pull up, pull the cord out, slide it in. Make sure this is all seated. Now, once it's up in place there, again, index finger and thumb, apply pressure, tight, and hold that. And then take this, the head, make sure it's all seated, and then let go. The Recon, new batteries, ready to roll.